Good morning, friends. Good morning. I am just gonna showing you guys my mulberry slash peach tree. They're growing together, and then look at how many fruits I have, guys. The ground I have so many fruit. I never can harvest none because I'm always working on the project. If I don't eat them, I have to eat them like this. So juicy. Juicy. Oh my god, I can't. I'm losing my breath. But so far going. Let me just show you guys, not talking. I can't.